How to start an online business? Well, as with all simple questions, there are several options available to you. This training and its supporting online data is focused on helping you create one or more tangible digital assets that you will own and control 100%. There are options to create online businesses that don't require you to have your own domain name and website. I will explain the various digital structures with the good and bad features. It is quite possible for you to earn money online working with existing platforms such as ClickBank, Amazon, or even GetResponse. I will be creating specific content covering how to set these businesses up, but it is important for you to know that if you do not create your own website, you will be totally reliant on these platforms for the future of your business. If any of them go out of business, which I admit is unlikely, or for some reason your account becomes blocked or closed, you will have lost most of your hard work and source of income. My recommendation is that you gradually build a combination of online business systems, which all link back to your primary website that you own and control, so that whatever happens in the future, your clients will always know where to find you. You will be able to continue making sales and you'll be building a valuable asset at the same time. Demystifying the internet. The internet is not some mysterious other world. It is simply a communication channel that allows you to communicate with lots of people 24 hours a day on autopilot. It's part of my mission to eliminate any mystery surrounding the internet, and hopefully helping people to work with the internet, rather than against it. Your website and social media can be working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, if you set up your online business system correctly. I have identified the key information that you need to know to get started. There are many ways to automate your communications using online software, so people can obtain information, products, and even services without you having to monitor your website or social media. You just received sales or qualified inquiries. We will go into more detail in following videos.